Hello and welcome to Struans Autocentre Dundee. Today I'm going to show you how to check your tyre pressures.
You can find your tyre pressures labelled on the door sill of your car. On this Honda Civic, it's on the driver's side. So unless you're planning to go well above the speed limit, you're only going to need 35 psi in the front tyres and 33 psi in the rear. Let's remove the valve cap. This is the front tyre on this vehicle, so we're only going to need 35 psi. That's a little bit too high, so I'm going to remove some air. You can do this easily by taking a small object and pressing down on the valve core. The valve core is that small brass pin that's located right in the middle of the tyre stem. Now let's check the pressure again. And perfect, 35 psi. Now might be a good time to mention you should only check your tyre pressures when your tyres are cold so you can get an accurate reading. Once you've checked all 4 tyres, you're done. If you need any help with this, come on down to Struans Autocentre Dundee.